Hi guys, welcome to
That's our video.
Yes, it is. Welcome to Patterson Recycling, our YouTube channel. So today we're gonna be doing a house tour. So this is our porch. It's basically just a regular thing. So yeah, this is our porch. That's Justice.
Hey.
Now. Okay, so now we're gonna go in here. So yeah, let's go. So this is our door.
No.
Okay, now we have to go outside. Apparently. So it's currently raining outside. Wait. And now
We can show them right.
no, Justice. And then this is the inside. So this is our family. That's Damani. And so yeah, we are going to hi. Okay. So now Michaela, ugly couch. So now we have that. Now let's go to the living room. Family. So yeah, that's basically it. Now we're gonna do a part 2. Michaela, you're so embarrassed. Okay. So, hey, get out of Grandma's room, Damani. Okay. So we're gonna see you in the next video. Goodbye. Make sure to subscribe, put your post notifications on, and yeah. So bye.